With one long magazine, you see it, one extender clip, but you can't afford one tray of egg for 1,200. And then you have plans to go ahead and shoot up man over that. And them people are saying I'm a living legend. You can't be a living legend if cause he's dead. If he was actually a legend, he would have survived to tell the tale. But he's not there no more. He's not there no more. In there now one pack underneath the ground, bros. Or at least I'm supposed to put him underneath the ground in the next 9 days since him dead. Supposed to be like 7 days or even a week now since him dead. So anyway, he's not a legend. I never will be a legend. Anybody who think him a legend, you're just one little fuckhead. I'll be real with you. You're a fuckhead. Alright, cuz you are a fuckhead.
Does life have no meaning? Does life have no value?